WIN4SMEs is an Erasmus Plus Cove project which brings together vocational schools, universities, and business organizations to make workplaces more innovative, engaging, and future-ready. We collect best practices and develop trainings, tools, and programs on topics such as entrepreneurship, newcomer integration, and human resources management while focusing on the dual education aspect. We work across EQF levels 3 to 6. Through a network of centers of vocational excellence in Poland, Germany, Lithuania, Hungary, Denmark, the Netherlands, and Finland, WIN4SMEs offers training, tools, and inspiring examples that help SMEs become stronger, more connected, and better prepared for the future. The Train the Trainer program is an intensive workshop designed for university lecturers, vocational education teachers, and SME innovation promoters who will become the catalysts of change in their organizations. The program consists of modules covering dual study programs integrating theory and practice, commercial specialist in sustainable management training, SME cooperation strategies, pedagogical approaches, and mentoring techniques. What makes this training unique is its focus on interlocking theory and practice. Participants don't just learn about workplace innovation, they experience it through interactive workshops, case studies, and collaborative problem solving. These trained trainers will return to their institutions equipped to implement dual bachelor's degree programs, integrate workplace innovation into existing curricula, bridge the gap between academic theory and business practice, mentor the next generation of workplace innovators. The Train the Trainer program represents WIN4SMEs in action, where educational excellence meets practical innovation. Together, are preparing for the future of work.